It's crazy how good steamed buns turn out with zero kneading or rolling. For the dough, grab all-purpose flour, dry yeast, salt and sugar, then pour in warm water. Stir it all up till there's no dry flour left. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise at room temp until it doubles in size. Take ground pork, toss in salt, sugar, a splash of dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Then mix everything up good first. Make your ginger-scallion-pepper infused water. Add it in 2 rounds. Pour half first. Stir one way till the meat soaks up all the liquid. Then add the rest. Keep stirring till the filling's thick and bouncy. Drizzle a little sesame oil and mix it through. Stick the filling in the fridge for at least an hour. Fold in chopped green onions right before you start wrapping and set it off to the side. Lightly dust your fermented dough with a little dry flour. No kneading needed. Just tear off small pieces and flatten them. Fill each piece with pork and fold freely. Ugly, uneven shapes are totally fine. Just make sure to pinch tightly to lock in the filling. Place buns in steamer. Cover and rest 15 minutes. Steam over medium-high heat for 12 minutes. Then rest covered for 3 minutes before opening. The buns have soft, fluffy skins and juicy pork filling. Super simple. Definitely worth a try.